Hello students, today we are solving ISI MSQE 2020 paper. This is segment number 6. So let's see. Consider a Mundell-Fleming model with perfect capital mobility and a flexible exchange rate. ये दोनों दिया है. So monetary expansion leads to क्या होगा? So monetary expansion यहाँ पर obviously output को बढ़ाएगा. Okay? Okay, ये output को बढ़ाएगा क्योंकि Mundell-Fleming model क्या है? So it is an argument that an economy cannot simultaneously maintain a fixed exchange rate, free capital movement and independent monetary policy. ये तीनों एक साथ नहीं हो सकते. So economy can maintain any two of the three. So 2/3 rule. So obviously it will enhance the output, increase the output, दोनों में increase है, and a fiscal expansion leads to fall in output. Sorry, अगर fiscal expansion यहाँ पर होता है, so obviously there won't be any change because then what is happening, perfect capital mobility की वजह से and flexible exchange rate is already being introduced, so obviously output इसकी वजह से तो अब change नहीं हो सकता, so the no change here. So 26 answer is C. Next, 27. Mr. X has an exogenous income W and his utility from the consumption of C is U of C. Mr. X knows that the accident can occur with probability P, and if it occurs, the monetary equivalent to the damage is T. Mr. X can, however, affect the accident probability P through the prevention effort E. So, a prevention effort है E. So next part is in particular E can take two values 0 and A. An assumption that P0 greater than P of A. चलिए ये भी अच्छा है. This is putting by the prevention effort, so probability of occurring of an accident can be reduced. So let us also assume that if Mr. X puts an effort E, the disutility from the effort is, fall in utility is A square, where A is the per unit effort cost. So critical value, what is the critical value of A and A star, where there below the effort of is undertaken and above the effort is not undertaken. Effort there and without effort. तो मान लेते हैं है ही नहीं effort, E equal to 0. So expected utility क्या होगा, EU equal to 1 minus P of 0 U of W plus P of U W minus T. और अगर E equal to 1 हुआ तो expected utility होगा 1 minus P of A U of W P of A then U W minus T minus A square. So the effort will be undertaken if this value EV1 and EV2, so effort will be there if EV2 greater than EV1. Okay, so let's do it. U W minus T minus A square greater than W now if we do a little bit of rearrangement because we need to find out A here. दिस इज द थिंग। बस हमें ए निकालना है तो सारा एक साइड में भी डाल सकते हैं। सो दीज टू पार्ट्स टुगेदर सो ये आ जाएगा, ए स्टार यहाँ से लिख सकते हैं पी ऑफ ए, पी ऑफ ज़ीरो बाई ए स्क्वायर। सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज़ करेक्ट।